How to download your Instagram information 2026 official Guam. Whether you're looking for a list of pending follow requests, trying to save your old photos, or just wanting to see what data Instagram has on you, the Download Your Information tool is your best friend. In 2026, this feature has moved to the Meta Account Center. Here is the exact script to find and use it. The step-by-step script. Step 1. Access the Account Center. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Right at the top, you will see the Account Center banner. Tap that. Step 2. Find your information and permissions. Inside the Account Center, scroll down to the Account Settings section and select your information and permissions. Step 3. Start the download request. Tap on Download Your Information. On the next screen, tap the blue button that says Download or Transfer Information. Step 4. Choose your profile. If you have multiple accounts, like Facebook or a second Instagram, select the specific Instagram profile you want the data from and tap Next. Step 5. Select data type. You have 2 choices. All available information. This gives you everything: messages, photos, and settings. Some of your information, choose this if you only want specific things, like your followers and following list, which is where you'll find those hidden pending follow requests. Step 6. Select destination and format. Choose Download to Device. On the final screen, ensure the media quality is set to high and the date range is set to all time if you want your full history. Tap Create Files. Important 2026 details. The wait time, once you tap Create Files, Meta will start preparing your data. Depending on how many photos you have, this can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 24 hours. The notification, you will receive an email and an in-app notification once the file is ready. The expiry, for security reasons, the file will only be available to download for 4 days. After that, it is deleted from the server, and you'll have to request it again. Pro tip: if you are downloading this to see your pending follow requests, open the downloaded folder, go to the followers _and_ following subfolder, and look for a file named pending_follow_requests.html. Open it in any browser to see the list. By following these steps, you've secured a full backup of your digital life on Instagram. If this script helped you get your data, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech walkthroughs. Are you having trouble opening the downloaded file? Let me know in the comments and I'll help you out.